everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project overview of Amogaya Adore It, which is located bang on Old Madras Road, Katamanallur, Bangalore. And this project is developed by Amogaya Projects. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And I'm standing exactly in front of the marketing office, and this is the marketing office of the project. And now about the land parcel is just behind the marketing office itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So this project is spread across 2.42 acres of land parcel, consisting of 2 premium towers, each tower of 2 basement ground plus 14 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located bang on Old Madras Road opposite to Orient Uptown Mall in Katamanallur, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So this is the Old Madras Road, and this road will take you towards KR Puram, and the opposite side road will connect you towards Hoskote. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, you can connect to Brigade Signature Tower in 500 meters from the project. Vibgyor School is 3 kilometers away, and Satya Sai Multi-Specialist Hospital is within 5 kilometers from the location. Now let's talk about the amenities, and this project provides you world-class amenities like of clubhouse of 15,000 square feet, swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, indoor games, outdoor games, sitting pavilion and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you exclusive 3 BHK residencies, where 3 BHK starting from 1791 to 1803 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Amogaya Adore It, which is located bang on Old Madras Road in Katamanallur, Bangalore. And this project is developed by Amogaya Projects.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.